This course is over 24 hours in length and covers everything you need to know to pass your CompTIA Network N10-007 exam. The first goal of the course is to make you a good network tech and, in the process, make sure you are ready to pass the CompTIA exam. The course covers all the exam topics including network architectures, cabling and topology, Ethernet basics, network installation, TCP, IP applications and network protocols, routing, network naming, advanced networking devices, IPv6 remote connectivity, wireless networking, virtualization and cloud computing, network operations, managing risk. This is a total Network Plus course and covers everything a good tech needs to know and prepares you to pass the CompTIA Network Plus certification exam. Who this course is for? This course is intended for anyone that is preparing for a network technician position or looking to improve their skills and become CompTIA Network Plus certified. However, it goes beyond that and will give you the skills you need to be a better network tech on the job. This is a complete and comprehensive CompTIA Network N10-007 course. It is designed to prepare the student to be able to take and pass the certification exam needed to become CompTIA Network Plus certified. What will I learn? Once you complete the course, you will have the knowledge and confidence to pass the CompTIA Network Plus certification N10-007 exam and the skills to be a great network tech. This course is ideal as both a study tool and an on-the-job reference. Your new skills and the CompTIA Network Plus certification will help you land a network tech job, or if you are already a network tech, get that raise or advancement you are seeking.